Hi everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Sheridan. For today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I achieve these kind of loose, relaxed curls. If that's something that interests you, then just keep on watching. First things first, this is the curling iron that I will be using. I have it turned on and I always put it at the highest heat because I like to just go fast. I'm gonna take your time and do a lower heat by all means, but I also have really thick hair, so it takes a lot for my hair to be styled, if that makes sense. I think this is like a 1.5 inch barrel, maybe it's a 2 inch. And then I've got my brush, hair clip, and some hairspray. I am just using the Tresemme Extra Hold Firm Control. Ooh. I'm gonna just go ahead and split my hair into 2 halves. Kind of brush, it's already pretty much parted in the middle. Just brush through it, and then I like to section off kind of like the crown of the head. Again, just rebrush out. Depending on how much hair you have, you might have to adjust like the sections, you know? Kind of feel out where like 3 sections will be, and I'll just grab the first one from the back. I like to start in the back. I don't actually use this little clamp guy. I will take it like it's a curling wand and hold it like this. Then I always wrap the hair, whatever side it is, away from my face, and I'll kind of get down to the end. You don't have to wrap the very end all the way around, you can just kind of leave it. You can kind of touch the hair and see how warm it is, but I will hold it for about 30 seconds. And then you let it go and you've got a little curl. Put the last into 2, grab the one in the middle, it away from my face. And that's really the key, you guys. I have found that like if I wrap it towards my face, it just looks really weird for some reason, and on each side you just make them, they're obviously going opposite ways away from your face. It ends up looking really nice. Last piece here. So again, you guys, I am not a hairstylist. This is just how I like to curl my hair. This is how I do it. I know everybody has different preferences for like what they like curls to look like and things like that. Just how I like it, okay? And if you like it, we can like it together. Juntos. Bien? You see Kalani sleeping back there. He's so cute. And you can see curled versus not curled. And I'll take my hairspray and then I like to kind of grab it and like hold it up like this. We're done, we'll toss it to the back. I like to just take this section into 3 pieces. So I'll start in the back. And again, on this side, again, I am wrapping away from my face. If I were wrapping it towards, my arm would be going this way, but I'm going this way instead. And then just hold it. Okay, so the bottom section is done, and what I'm gonna do is take down that top clip and then just kind of follow my part and then section it off and bring it forward. So I'm gonna just brush through these sections again. I can usually get through this pretty quick, but obviously the more hair you have, the longer it's gonna take you. So same thing, I'm gonna do each of these halves into 3 sections each. I'm gonna kind of start in the back again, curling iron facing down, and I'm gonna wrap it away from my face. So last piece on this side, and you guys can kind of see too, I am not taking this all the way up to the root. I like to have my curl kind of relaxed and come down a little bit. I don't like to have it super tight to my head, so that's why I am doing it the way I'm doing it. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my hair. Okay, so now I bring everything forward. Oh, my hair is kind of long, so you guys can't even really see it all, but this is what it looks like without doing anything to it. So as you can see, because we left the ends out, the ends are nice and like loose. So I like to kind of let all of the hair cool down first. So I'm gonna wait a couple minutes. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes. I let it kind of cool. I like to kind of just hit everything one more time with hairspray. Really like pull them up. So now what I'll do, if I want to kind of break them up, I will just run my fingers through them a little bit and kind of through my part. Then you can either do like a side swipe, or if you just want to keep it regular digular in the middle. All right guys, so this is the final look. I don't really do many hair tutorials on my channel, so I just thought this would be fun and I was gonna be doing it anyway. Again, I feel like this is just a very relaxed glam look. It's not like doing too much. Just very easy. Information about the tools and products I use will be listed in the description box below. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you like this content and you'd like to see more of me, subscribe to my channel, please and thank you. And then go ahead and hit the notification bell as well when you're there, so that way you'll be informed whenever I post a new video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!